YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys on how to fix the drawer that's a broken plastic support. By the way, I put this one back, but it's cracked on the bottom. I'm going to show you on the other side right here. You see? Because the soap, because I purchased a whole bunch of RS springs, the soap, and too heavy, so this thing broke off. Let me show you on this side as well. See? So I'm gonna add like a piece of this wood. Hopefully I can support it. And just put it right there, and hopefully it's not gonna come out. Because if I purchase a new one, it's gonna do the same thing. Because there's nothing support on the bottom, okay, and it's gonna crack the same way. Last time I purchased those are replacement from Lowe's. I think it was like 3 something or 2 something for 2, and I think they improve it. I think the new one, they add like an extra anchor on the bottom to support it because it's too weak. So I'm going to remove this. And I'm going to insert it correctly. There's like a clip. You see that clip in? So I need to slice it in there like that to catch it. There you go. Okay. And then now I'm going to adjust to the last hole. Okay. To match it. If you put it like this, the metal hardware is going to stick out. So I'm going to put it right here. Back to the same position. And after that, I'm going to put this under there to support it like that. And then screw it in. Yeah, so if you are hired like a handyman, probably charge you a lot of money just to come out and see what's wrong with it. Nowadays, you want to fix everything yourself to save some money. And then this side, I could just push in. There you go. Okay. So it's in already. I just kind of yank it. So I'm going to make sure I push the wood up before I screw it in. And if you have too much gap right here, it's going to fall down due to the weight. So I got this probably 2-inch screw. So I screw in there first. It's kind of tight. Push up a little bit. This drawer is so small. I can stick my head in there. Hopefully I don't need to drill the hole. Maybe I need to drill the hole first. Make it easier. There you go. Make sure it's protruding so I can match it. There you go. Can you see? Two-person job. Let's see. There you go. Should be good enough. Yeah. Okay. Got an indentation right there. Put another one here then. Okay, it's not going anywhere. Adjustment first. Wow, not going anywhere. All right, so this is the moment of the truth, and we're gonna put it in the drawer. Hopefully it's not gonna fall down or collapse. By the way, this one's very heavy. All the soap. Whoa. Well, there's a fix for it. Without spending that much money, only 4 screws and then leftover wood. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to
hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always, peace.